Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Kelly Samantha. I'm from South Florida and I'm a fitness trainer. Today I'll be taking you guys through an awesome glute workout. So if you have your ankle weights, go ahead and put them on now. If you don't, no worries, we can still do the workout without them, okay? So you wanna go ahead, we're gonna start back of doing kickbox. So I have here a cushion for my knees. If you guys want, put a cushion down. And we're gonna start off by coming all the way down on our elbows. And we're gonna take our leg, bring it all the way up, okay? Keep your toe pointed down, bring your knee all the way in, and come up all the way, flexing your glute. We're gonna do 20 each side, okay? So take a deep breath, and let's begin. All the way up, all the way in. Good, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep that glute nice and tight. 6, squeeze. 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, halfway there. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 more, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. So now we're gonna switch legs. Okay, so our right leg's gonna be bent now, and our left leg's gonna be up in the air. Same thing, we have 20 each side. Okay, lean in, all the way up, all the way down. 1, 2, focus on that glute, squeeze it. 3, 4, it should be burning. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, good, keep going. 12, 13, 14, 15, good. 10 more, guys, come on, push. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. So by now, your glutes should be super duper sore and on fire. You should be feeling it already. All right. So now we're gonna be laying down on the ground and we have hip thrusters. So super important. We want to keep our feet nice and flat, hands down. We're gonna come all the way up, squeeze your glutes at the top, and bring it all the way down, okay? We'll do 30 in total. Take a deep breath, and let's go. Up, squeeze, bring it back down. That's 1, 2, 3, all the way up. 4, drop those hips coming down. 5, 6, 7, good job. 8, 9, 10, 11, good. 12, squeeze. 13, 14, 15, good. 5 more. Good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. Good. Rest for a second. Take a deep breath. All right, now we're going to focus a little bit on our core. So we're going to bring our feet a little bit closer in towards us, and we're going to go side to side. We're going to do 30 in total, so 15 each side. You really want to focus on your obliques when we do this. So we want to come, touch the middle of our heel, and switch sides. So it's going to be 1, 2, good. 3, relax your neck. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, good, squeeze. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Keep going. Squeeze, guys. 19. 20. Good. 10 more. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. Almost there. 2. And 1. Whew. Good. Relax. Take a deep breath. Good. Let's stand up. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead, take a deep breath, grab some water if you guys need. Take a second. Good. All right. So now we're gonna be back on the ground. Okay, so now we're doing, it's like a donkey kick, but we're gonna keep our leg nice and straight. So come down, one knee bent, other knee here. We're gonna keep our legs straight, guys. Come up and down. We're gonna bounce with it, okay? We're gonna do 20 each leg. All right, guys, so get ready. Remember, we're gonna come up and slightly down. We're bouncing with it, okay? 20 each side. Get ready. And let's go. 1, 2, keep it straight. 3, you really wanna focus on the top of your glute. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 more, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Rest, and we're gonna go to the other side. Take a deep breath, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Focus on that glute, guys. 10 more. Good. Come on. 5 more. 5 all the way up. 4, 3, bounce, 2, and 1. Good. You'll really feel it at the top of your glute. All right. Next, we're gonna go back inside our hip thrusters. We have 30 in total. Okay. So you're gonna go ahead, lay down. Same thing, bring your ankles in. Come all the way up again, squeeze as much as you can, and drop your hips all the way down. Okay, get ready, we have 30. Take a deep breath, and let's go. Squeeze. 1, 2, drop your hips. 3, good. 4, you can even put pressure on your hands to come up higher. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, good, halfway there. 16, 17, still be squeezing, guys. 18, 19, 20, 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, all the way up. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Wow. Definitely feel the burn on that one, my glutes. All right, guys, so now we're gonna hit a little bit of a core, okay? So we're gonna do crunches. So we're gonna slightly touch our head, okay? Come all the way up, all the way down. Breathe in, coming up, and exhale, coming down, okay? Gauge in your core. We're gonna do 40 in total. Get ready. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, really focus. Squeeze. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, keep going guys, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, good, 10 more, 10, 9, 8, 7, squeeze, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. That's a perfect core burnout right there. All right. So now we're going to go ahead, come to our cube, and we're going to do fire hydrants. Okay. So now we're going to target our side of our glutes. So you're going to feel it all in here. Okay. So bring our body all the way down. Okay. You're going to come all the way up, all the way down. Super important, guys, when we come up, we want to be aligned with our hip and all the way down. Squeeze right here as you come up. Okay. Get ready. We're going to do 15 each side. Set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way up. 8, 9, 10. Good. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. By now, your side glute should be on fire. All right, now we're going to do the other side. And go. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. You guys feel it here? Good. It's a good burnout. All right, lastly, we're going to finish with 40 squats, okay? We're going to pulse it. So we're going to come down, slightly up, and right back down. This is a burnout, guys, to end this workout, okay? All out, full 40. Stay with me on this one. Take a deep breath, and let's begin. 40. Got to finish strong. 2, 3, right back down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, breathe. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 10 more, guys. Come on, finish strong. Good, come on. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wow, I am tired. And that was a great, great, great workout. Your glutes should be on fire. Your hamstrings should be on fire. Your quads should be on fire.